So this week we're going to do lots of things about school. So here we have a school crown. So it says school has, and then there's some things. If I'm looking at the picture, I'm noticing it says school has books, school has crayons, school has teachers, school has glue. But before we start, we're going to use our black marker. Can you get your black marker? And down here it says name. So the first thing I do is always the same. I pick up my marker today and I write my name. I'm going to write it really small, making sure it's inside my crown and right on that line. And then I'm noticing that there are some missing letters for each picture. Now, we already said that this is a picture of books, right? B. What letter says B? Can anyone tell me? A B. That's right. So we go straight down and around a circle. Try to make your best B. All right. School has, what was this a picture of? Crayons. What does crayon start with? A C. C looks like this. Crayons. Good job. So we wrote a B for book, C for crayons. School has teachers. Teacher. We haven't done that letter yet, but does anyone know what letter makes the sound T? A T. T looks like this. Straight down and a line. So we have a vertical line and a horizontal line. And school has glue. Glue. A G. G is a circle. We go up, down, and make a curve. Glue. Okay. So this morning when we did our math, do you remember what we did with the orange, green? Orange, green, we made a pattern. Now a pattern we said repeated. That means it happened again and again and again, right? So you're gonna pick 2 colors today. I'm gonna pick red violet and cerulean. So do you see all these dots right here? I want you to make a pattern with your colors on those dots. So I'm just gonna call it pink, blue, pink, blue, all the way across, rotating my colors, making it happen again and again, making that pink, blue repeat. Pink, blue, pink, blue. Oh my gosh, it's happening so many times. Pink, blue, and one more time. Pink, blue. All right, so we finished our pattern. Press pause if you need to. You need to finish. And then we're gonna color our objects. So we've got books. You can decide whatever color you want to make your books. I'm gonna pick 2 different colors though for my books. One of them is scarlet, one of them is yellow-green. Books. All right. Moving on, we've got a box of crayons. Normally boxes of crayons, if you buy Crayola crayons, they have a yellowish box. And then you can give all your crayons different colors. So I'm gonna make a blue one. I'll make a scarlet one. I'll make a green one. I'll make a pink one. I'll make another little blue one. How about a purple? Let's see, we need an orange and Let's do black. So there we've got our box of crayons. Let me give that star a color too on the box. All right, I'm gonna move on to the teacher. Does that look like me? Kind of, her hair does. I like to wear my hair like that, but I don't really wear dresses. You might never, ever see me in a dress. Maybe a skirt, but not really a dress. Unless like I had to wear a dress for something, like a fancy party or a wedding. Teacher. Take your time. I'm going a little bit fast, but remember, I've been coloring a long time, and so my hand is very strong, and my hand can go a little bit faster than a child's hand, right? Glue, the tip of the glue is orange, and the bottle usually is white, but sometimes it's got a label that's blue, I feel like. Looks great. So it says school has books, school has crayons, school has teachers, school has glue. If you want to color the whole entire crown, you totally can, but you don't have to. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to color, do you see these circles behind here? This is called the background. I'm going to color the background of each of my objects. I'm going to try to use some colors that I haven't really used yet for the background. In a moment, you're also going to need your scissors. Kind of fun today. And you're going to need your glue. You can always press pause if I'm going too fast, right? Some friends are getting really good at pressing pause. Let's use this color for the background. All right, my crown looks beautiful. I'm not gonna color my background of my whole entire crown today. Sometimes I like to do that when we're at school, but for the video, I'm not. But you can if you'd like to, okay? Then we're gonna use our scissors. Do you remember the rhyme for scissors? Open, shut, open, shut. That's the way I cut, cut, cut. Fingers on bottom, thumb on top. Do not let your paper drop. So I'm gonna start and I'm gonna go on the very dark line. Now it might be a little bit tricky to cut out the top of the crown. If you wanna have a grown-up help you cut out the top part of your crown with these little round pieces, you can, because that is a little bit tricky for brand new friends using scissors. But maybe you're really good at scissors and I just don't realize it. And you can do it all by yourself. So if you need help, ask a grown-up to do the top for you, but then you can do the straight parts at the bottom. Like this part, you should be doing this part. Straight, right? Open, shut, open, shut. That's the way I cut, cut, cut. Fingers on bottom, thumb on top. Do not let your paper drop. But now you can let your paper drop because this is trash. Then you're gonna get this big thing. It's called a sentence strip. Normally we write sentences on it. Today we're not. You are gonna take your sentence strip and you or a grown-up, you're gonna put glue right in the middle of your sentence strip. It's hard to see my glue. And you're gonna stick on your crown. I'm gonna lift up the sides of my crown. Ooh, look at, see, I'm gonna notice this. I didn't put very much glue down here, so I'm gonna make sure I put glue and I'm gonna push it down and see if it lifts up. Oh, it's not. And check the other side. Oh yeah, I didn't do a very good job on this side. Put some glue under there, smush it down, and make sure it's on there. So it might need a little bit of time to dry. Then you can decorate the sides a little bit if you like. Maybe you like hearts. Maybe hearts are tricky for you. I know that everybody in TK knows how to draw a circle, right? Because we practiced circles yesterday on our fine motor journal. We start at the top, we go down and around. So you can draw some designs on there, color it a little bit. Maybe add some rainbow or some swirlies. Ooh, there's some. What about on this side? Ooh, maybe I'll do the same thing. So I'll do a heart. And I'll do a circle and a swirly. And then guess what? Tomorrow, you can wear your crown to our morning Zoom meeting and show it to me. So, Mommy or Daddy will have to measure your head, so they'll put it around your head, and they can either staple it or tape it or glue it so it fits. I want to see your crown on our morning Zoom meeting, okay?